Having ADHD makes cleaning difficult, so I'm always looking for the newest and coolest cleaning tools, and after recently trying the Spinwave and finding it just shy of being the perfect mop, I decided to order the Crosswave Pet. With an easily removable tank that has 4 lines demonstrating where to fill the formula to, depending on how large the area being cleaned is, this thankfully takes the guesswork out of measuring for me. You select the type of flooring, whether it's an area rug or a hard floor, you press and hold the trigger down under the handle for about 10 seconds to saturate the mop scrubber, and then you just go to town. I've sped this up, but I tend to move a bit slower to let it work. Now, I have to mention that I did do a Spinwave cleaning on this yesterday, so the fact that this cleans this much more is kind of insane to me. Wait until you see the messy water. I've also come to terms that one splotch must be hair dye from a prior tenant, because it is not coming up even when I try to bleach it. At least it only shows in a black light. Unlike some other mops, there are a few extra steps once finished, so plop the Crosswave on its holder, fill up the included cup to the max fill line with water, and pour that into its holder. You then tilt the Crosswave back and turn on the hardwood option so it can clean the brush roll by itself. Then, pull it up and place it on its stand to let it dry before next use. Look at how nasty this water is, and I just mopped yesterday. It's kind of hard to believe how much is left on the ground. I'm also so happy that the clean water formula tank and the dirty water tank are completely separate. Now, it's time to clean the dirty water tank. Pull out the sieve and throw the gunk in the garbage. Thankfully, it's easy to just tap off on the side so I don't have to touch it. Pour out the nasty water and rinse it out. Clean out the filter, vacuum it if needed. Rinse everything out. Wipe everything down that needs to be wiped and leave it to dry. Once dry, put it back together. Clip it back onto the Crosswave and let out a sigh of relief. I'm super impressed with just how much nastiness this managed to pull out. A+, my new favorite mop.